Hello?
Yes, baby.
Hi, how are you?
Mais là, qu'on laisse ça parce que des heures et parler anglais, laisse ça ici.
Tout y va 609 ou chat.
Laisse ça parler anglais. Léa, il est créole.
I don't speak Creole, I'm sorry.
You don't speak Creole. I'm not Jamaican. I'm not American. I'm not Anglais. I'm Asian, baby.
Bye, Medel. Bye, Medel.
Haitian, you better speak Creole, baby.
Well, are you gonna teach me or are you just gonna go ahead and talk?
Teach you ça? Qui c'est ça? You on doit pas Haïtien, on doit pas Haïtien.
Yeah, my
You have
parents.
flag. You
My
have
parents.
Asian flag.
My
You have Asian flag.
parents.
Baby, don't complicate my life. Don't complicate my life, okay? Because I see your profile, you have flag, you have Asian flag.
My
You say you don't speak Creole.
My parents.
Your parents, you don't speak Creole. Why you go to Asian community? Why you so change là? Why you here?
Because my
Yes, why you
parents are
shit, G?
Haitian. So if my parents,
Your parent is Asian. You grandi with your parent. Your parent
Who told you
don't
I was
teach you
raised with
in
my
Creole.
parents?
Go to your parent again. Say and your parent, you dead me because you don't teach me
How they
Creole.
dead me if I'm
because
alive?
right now I want to speak with the Asian community. I don't know nothing. You understand me?
Tout y va 609 ou chat.
Ouais, mais ici, on est. Nous, ici, bon, puis lui.
What?
Et compliqué vim là. Compliqué vim là, d'accord.
How?
Ça how là.
Tout y va 609 ou chat.
Si tu me l'eau.
How? How am I complicating you? Comment faire compliquer là?
Vous entendez? On voit les yeux, mais d'accord, à l'école, oui. Tendez, mais d'accord, à l'école. Et moi, c'est nous toucher, oui. C'est moi, c'est nous tout, mais d'accord. D'accord, à l'école, mais bon, oui, mais on est sous-coupé, d'accord, dans la vie, là. D'accord, à l'école, oui. C'est là, vous, mais on est compliqué, machin. Oui.